Grand Risings, Libras. Grand AM to you. It's your girl, King, bringing you a little tidbit, a little update, a little download. We're going to jump right into the energies of this message. Libras. Someone's got a monkey on their back. Someone's got too many monkeys on their back. In fact, they've got so many monkeys on their back, they've developed into a whole camel. And a straw fell upon this camel's back and broke it. Because whomever this energy or these energies and or entities are, they were chasing you. Someone's been chasing your picture. Someone may be utilizing cameras or camcorders, digital cameras, a recording device. Someone may be going to the urgent care or to the hospital, to the emergency room on the 19th. Libras, I don't feel like this is you. Chevron could be significant. Someone may have eaten at Denny's recently. Angels, what's going on for my Libras? So we have the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Ladybug. Someone may call you Ladybug, or that's someone's nickname, Ladybug. This Knight of Pentacles, as we all know, is the slowest moving knight out of all the knights. Was trying to make some quick movement towards you unbeknownst to you. It's like this person was creeping in from the outskirts. Someone may live on the outskirts of the woods or on the outskirts of the city. Whomever this Knight of Pentacles is, Earth energy, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, and this person may live at a distance from you. This person's got on a lot of armor. And what this armor really is money. This person utilizes money as a defense system. So this person may have material wealth. This person may have a lot of money. And they feel like whatever amount of money they have, it protects them. It's their first line of defense. So when something comes their way, they throw money at it. There's a lot going on under this full moon. Someone may drive a Mustang, or wild Mustangs could be significant. Someone may like horses. I'm hearing equestrian. Someone may be a horse rider. Okay. Someone may be a cowboy, as in a rodeo rider. So someone may ride horses professionally. Angels, what else? Side saddle. Someone knows how to ride side saddle. We have the Five of Pentacles. Hello, Taurus. Yeah, something's been revving up for a long time. Something's been revving up to a crescendo, a plateau. This has to deal with this Taurus and another person. Someone may be wanting to come towards you with their hat in their hand. This is a masculine energy. Because there's been a separation. There's been a separation of light. Okay, thank you, angels. There's been a separation to create a right. So someone is righting a wrong. They're trying to make something right. And this Taurus may be coming to you with their hat in their hand because they have separated from a feminine energy. Now, this masculine may have children, this Taurus energy, or whomever they have children with is a Taurus. There's a lot of light being shown upon this masculine energy. It's almost like they're under the fire. The Most High is shining a light on this person because of their deeds, because of what they have done. We have the King of Swords in reverse. Air energy, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. So this masculine may be an air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. They may be in this relationship with this Taurus. This person is not steady in their thoughts. They've been trying to steady their mind or quiet their mind. This person is trying to gain some type of clarity. Uranus could be significant. Yeah, this person is under the gun. They're under the fire. They're under the watch of the Most High, because this person hasn't been acting in accordance with spiritual law. It's like this person is breaking up their own foundations because they're not gaining clarity. This person is trying to turn away from this connection with this feminine Taurus energy. They're trying to see things from another perspective, another angle. This person isn't getting any sleep. Day and night. Restless. Unrest. No rest. Two could be significant. We have the Star in reverse, Aquarius energy. Sunflowers could be significant. Someone lives by the water. Someone's last name could be Reed, R-E-E-D, or R-E-A-D-E. Reeds in the water. Someone's in the water. Someone's been pouring from 2 cups. And this is you, Libra. You've been supplying your own emotion, your own ocean of emotion. You've been refilling, replenishing, rejuvenating your own waters, your own emotional seas. This is a new season. It's spring. You're sprouting things. You're giving yourself your flowers. Your intuition is so sparkling bright, Libra. I'm hearing the word magnanimous. You're in alignment. You're right on time, Libra. You're right on schedule. You're right where you're supposed to be. Everything is falling into place. And that's because you've humbled yourself. You've steadied yourself. You've developed emotional intelligence. You can recognize and realize where emotions come from. When things surface in your energetic field, you know whether those are your emotions or the projections of others. This is a new gift or an ability that you have already had. But this ability, this skill set is increasing in all directions and all levels. This ascendancy is protected on all levels and in all directions. You may have Sagittarius in your chart. This could be in your this could be in your 10th or your 7th house, Sagittarius. You could be seeing 777. You may be drawn to the color gold at this time. You're in a golden age, a golden period, where everything you touch turns to gold. Midas touch. Someone's hungry. We have the Knight of Wands in reverse. There's some masculine energies here that are dueling for you. One is moving very slow. This energy appears to be someone known to you from your past. This Knight of Wands, fire energy, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. This person has been making their way to you since the fall. I'm hearing the fall guy. This person is very passionate. This person has a lot of fiery ideas. They wield their staff well. This could be sexual energy. This could be spiritual energy. This is a take charge kind of person. However, this person likes to always have a leg up. It's like they always want to be a few steps ahead of someone or people in general. Someone may have a military background. Someone could have been a general. Or there's a male figure in this masculine's family that was a general. Whomever this fire sign is that's been coming towards you since the fall, this person is cloaked. This person thinks that they are cloaked, but their steps, their actions are not. You're always aware of when people are in your energy, when people are trying to tap into your spiritual garden, when people are trying to gain entrance into your secret garden. The movie Secret Garden is coming up. Also the song Secret Garden. Someone drives a silver Cadillac. This could be an XTS or a CTS. XTS or CTX. We have the sun. Libra, you're not only coming into alignment with an ascendancy in your skills, in your God-given natural talents and abilities, but this is cosmic alignment. Things in the universe are shifting in your favor. Someone's birthday could be 10/19 or 10/9. Yet you feel these ripples in your energy. You're so in tune, not only with yourself, but with cosmic universal energies. As if you were to toss a pebble into water and watch the ripples from the pebble hitting the water. This is how you feel people in your energy. It's like every time someone tries to tap into you, you feel those ripples in the water. And that's because you develop such a high sense of emotional intelligence. You're very aware, hyper aware is what I'm hearing, of your emotions versus the emotions, the projected emotions of others. Jupiter and Saturn are playing a big part in this cosmic alignment. They are at the center of this cosmic alignment. We have the Four of Swords in reverse. You're coming out of a time of rest. You're recovering. You're rejuvenating. You're coming out of heartbreak. You're not defensive, but you're not defenseless. Someone could have red or maroon and gold sheets on their bed. Some of you may live in a brick building or a brick house. Whatever this heartbreak is that you are recovering from, whether this is due to this situation with this past person, this King of Swords, this air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, that has separated themselves from this Taurus, or if this is just circumstances in your life that were causing you heartbreak, that were causing you anxiety, that were draining you. A lot of you were able to move out of this air of heartbreak because you put on your full spiritual armor. This is a different type of armor. This is an upgrade in your armory. This is armor that absolutely cannot be pierced. It can't be dented. It can't be scratched. It cannot be penetrated. You have fastened yourself to this armor. This armor has become a second skin. Some of you could be sleeping with your head elevated. You may have just gotten your hair done. So you may be holding your head up while you're asleep, or you may have bent your pillow so it's underneath your neck so you're not sleeping on your hair. Gotta keep that fresh dew popping, Libra. So even in the dream state, even in your unconscious states, this could be meditation as well. You're not defensive, but you're not defenseless. We have strength in reverse. It may have taken you some time to regain your strength. Masculine, did you just get a new necklace? Are these Cuban links? Someone has a Cuban link necklace. Libra, you may have recently purchased some new earrings. These could be drop earrings or long dangling earrings. There could be 3 pieces or 3 sections to these hanging or dangling earrings. Some of you may have your hair up in braids. You could have trinkets in your hair or in your braids. In your locks, cowrie shells. Someone here has got blonde tips. You needed this time. You were given this time, this break, so that you could focus forward, so that you could hear the guidance from the universe, so that you could keep your mind clear. So this rest after this heartbreak, this regaining of strength, this rejuvenation, you were given this time by the Most High. Because this masculine's been pulling on your energy. And it's because they're confused. This person knows that you are fully in control of your emotions, of your own emotional seas, and because they are not, they have been trying to tap into your energy. They've been wanting to come back towards you because they feel like if they can get in your good graces, if they come back to you with their hat in hand, and maybe you will share some of that clarity, some of that strength with them so that they can get back on. We have the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Oh, this is a low ball offer. What kind of shit is this? And Peacock. Oh, someone's got a small pee-pee. Let me not. Looks like their money is bigger than their pee-pee. Listen. Someone's name is Tiffany. Oh, this person was playing checkers, not chess. Oh, they've been watching you. Of course they have. And all they can do is show up with this pentacle. And it's not a big pentacle. And as I just said, their pentacle outshines their peacock. But this is the big offer they want to give you, even though it's not a big offer. And this person is a player. All the way from the Himalayas. They don't have just one feather in their cap. They've got 2. So this person put you in a third-party situation. You, them, and this Taurus feminine. Because they've turned their back on this Taurus feminine and they're in their feelings, now they want to come back your way. And this is just one too many damn feathers. Because I don't just see the 2. There's way too many feathers here. There's so many feathers here. It's the whole bird. I don't know why, but the angels are reminding me of this joke. What's the difference between kinky and what is it? What's the difference between kinky and perverted? Kinky is the feather. Perverted is the whole chicken. And someone's a whole gosh damn chicken. Someone's a whole perverted gosh damn chicken. Because they just want to come back, Libra. Get some of that goodness off of you. Some of that clarity. Some of that balance. Some of that strength. Because someone's definitely off their rocker and off kilter. All because they left this third party. This third wheel. Someone lives on 700 East, or 700 East could be significant. Is this the Eight of Wands in reversal? No communication. No communication. You've been in no communication. You've been in no contact with this person. And it's suggested that this stays this way. Yeah, because this person is going to come in like a lamb. Only because they want to be a lion. They know that you are. They know that you've tamed yourself. They're hoping that you can help tame them. But Libra, that's not your job. You have the High Priestess in reverse. What did I say? That's not your job. To help this person turn their life right side up. No, you're busy working on yourself. You've been undercover. And I don't mean that you've been hiding. I don't mean that you've been incognito. I mean that you've been undercover, under the cover of protection, under the cover of your spiritual armor, under the cover of the Most High. You are protected because you're a golden child. God is not going to allow see how long that was? God's not going to allow anyone to disturb you, to slow you down, to shut you up. This is what this break was for. Was to boost you up. All while someone was thinking that they would be able to interrupt you, interrupt your time, interrupt your sequence, interrupt your cycle. Someone thought that they could come in and impede your cycle. Yeah, because you walk on water. And I'm not comparing you to Yeshua. What I'm saying is, you were the queen, you were the king, the captain of your own ocean of emotion. What this is saying is you're above your emotions. You don't allow your emotions to control you. You are fully adept at making head over heart decisions. You can make serious, you can make grand decisions without employing your emotions. Meaning you can be logical, not emotional, when and where you need to be. You're shimmering. Someone here wears long nightgowns. These could be kind of silky or see-through nightgowns. These could be almost ankle length. You may like the feel of whatever this material is next to your skin when you're sleeping. It's soft, it's silky, it puts you to sleep. You have this cycle in your hands, you have it under control. You've passed through a portal, through a gateway. It's almost as if you've tiptoed into this season gently, gracefully, blissfully. This is why the Most High does not want you disturbed by any one person, energy, or entity. Because this is your time. God has assigned this new phase, this new cycle to you. It's because you've done the work to garner it. There's that 222 again. Something's going to happen in 24 hours. Someone's going to be iced out. We have the Knight of Swords. What did I say about all these knights? It's like someone just keeps trying to do everything that they can to come at you, but they're coming in this knight energy. This is not a match. And they've been trying to talk to you through the ethers. They've been trying to tap into your thoughts. God said no. What are you doing, sir? A windsock could be significant. I don't know if someone works at a TV station, at a news station, or if you were watching the news. You know how sometimes they'll have a short clip of like a news camera like in the city, and it'll show like the city backdrop or like the skyline. There's a red windsock in the image or in the picture. As this person's trying to catch something blowing in the wind. They're trying to tap into you. You know, you're the air sign. Sometimes snipers will pinch the dirt or grass, or they'll grab some leaves and they'll toss them into the air so they can determine which way the wind is blowing, so they can then determine how to calculate their shot. So it's like someone's been trying to tap into the ethers, to tap into your mind, because they're trying to take this shot and they're trying to calculate how best to take this shot. That's why they keep showing up in all these damn nights. This is the same person. This is that King of Swords. Coming up with the Knight of Wands, the Knight of Swords. What else is back here? 1 second. Oh yeah, and this Page of Pentacles. Oh, nope, we have the Knight of Pentacles. Yep. The Knight of Swords and the Knight of Wands. Do we need any more knights to show up to the party? Is this the Knights of the Round Table? What's happening here? This person refuses not to take this shot. God already told them, put your hand down. You know that one kid in school who always had the fucking answer? Oh, pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me. I know. Waving their hand, almost falling out their gosh damn desk trying to get the teacher's attention. Yes, Timmy, we know you know the answer. Let somebody else in the class take a stab at the answer. Little Timmy's not getting the picture. Put your hand down, Timmy. God's not going to answer this question for you. God's not going to help you tap into this energy. God's not going to help you steady your aim so you can take this shot at this Libra again. Let me say it for you again in case you missed the memo. God said no. Get a few more cards. We're going to get up out of this energy. These hard-headed asses, they just don't get it. Keep taking a shot. What's hidden? Oh, the Two of Cups in reverse. This was not a match. You weren't going to see eye to eye with this person. This person wasn't going to see eye to eye with you. This is not a fated connection. There's one due to you, though. There's same-sex energy here. Take it only if it resonates. Neptune is significant. Tunes. Yeah, someone's been trying to send you messages through music. This has been disavowed. Military terms, yeah. This was not your match. This was an opponent. And this is why this person is not being allowed near you. This is why this person isn't being allowed to come with you through this portal, through this passage, through this doorway. Because this is an opponent. This person is your ops. There was stagnation here. It's almost as if there was a battle of the wills or a battle of the mind. This person was a Cancer. This person is sick. That's why God said no. Because this person is sick in the head. They have a mental incapacitation. There's something within their mind that they cannot get over. There's something in this person's mind that's not healed. And it's because this person has not actively sought to heal this wound, this trauma. I won't shit you, Libra. You've been through a lot. You've been through ups, you've been through downs, you've been through the mud, you've been through the gamut. But you have actively, productively, and persistently worked to heal yourself. This is why you are ascending. This is why your God-given talents and natural abilities are ascending. Because you refuse not to do the work. It's that good old college go. You just keep learning. Because you are willing to learn, Libra, is why you keep leveling up. You've chosen to be a lifelong learner. See, some people think because they've graduated high school, or they've graduated some type of trade school, they've graduated college, that they don't have to learn anymore. Hello? We're in Earth school. Everything is a lesson. You were supposed to learn lifelong. However, it is a choice. You can stagnate yourself and think that you know it all and choose to do it your own way or go it your own way. I know everything. I don't need to learn anything else. Oh, okay. This is why this person can't come around you. We have the Three of Swords. Yeah, now they're suffering heartbreak. This is not your problem. And you don't have to solve it. Now this person is suffering heartbreak, Libra, because they can't attach themselves to you. They can't pierce your heart. They can't pierce your strength. What did I say earlier? They can't pierce your full spiritual armor. Ma'am, sir, lady, man. High vibe tribe, I'm talking to you. Woo! You wear it well. Oh, Libra. You wear your spiritual armor so well. Yeah, this evil eye that this person has been sending to you is being blinded. It's being crushed. It's being stabbed through and through. This person is all sorts in their mind. This person is in a storm of the soul. Because they can't get your heart back. Point is, they lost it in the first place. So why would they get a second chance to have it again? To do the same? Because that's what Spirit is telling me. Is that this person would do the same thing over and over and over again. And we all know the definition of insanity is repeating the same thing over and over and over again, expecting a different result. There's not going to be a different result here. Why? Because this person refuses to learn. So they're going to continue to make the same mistakes over and over and over again. One more card, please, angels. Two more cards. Thank you, angels. We have the Four of Pentacles and the Hangman in reverse. Now, this Capricorn is going to be clutching their pentacles. Yeah, they've got a few more now. But it's like they're going to have to collect money, or they need money. And so they're looking at you because this person is in need of money. Under this full moon. Ooh, goodness. Yeah, this person is trying to come through this doorway, through this passage, through this portal after you, with their hat in their hand, clutching their pearls. Because this could be a feminine energy. Take it how it resonates. So this person wants to dress up. They want to dress the part. They want to dress like they're royal. They want to dress like they're your match. They want to dress like they're on your level. They're playing dress up. This person is wearing a whole gosh damn costume, and it may be borrowed. It's like this person is hanging their heart on their shoulder, like they're coming in with their heart on their shoulder. See my heart? See my heart? This person has tried to call you. But they've tried to call you at least twice within the past 4 days. The fleur-de-lis could be significant. Yeah, Libra, you're not stuck. This cycle is over. You're not chained to this person. You've already released this person. You've freed yourself from this situation. And furthermore, the Most High has freed you from this situation. This contract is over. This person thought that they were going to spin through this new cycle with you. That's a no-go. Do you hear me? Do not collect $200 and no, you will not be passing go. Goodbye. You are the weakest link. This chain has been cut. It's been severed. You are no longer linked or tied to this person, nor they to you. They could make whatever calculations they want to make, Libra. When I say the math ain't mathing, the math isn't mathing. They could never crunch the numbers to be able to come back to you, to be on par with you. This person is in need. And this is a need that you are not supposed to fulfill. This is an energy, this is an entity that you are not supposed to return to. No, Libra, you're free. You're standing in your own light. You're standing in your own right. You're standing in your power. The cords have been cut, Libra. Enjoy your freedom. Please do continue to utilize your own intuition and discernment to make the very best decisions for your highest good. Angel number 519. Any and all pertinent information to this reading can and will be listed right down below in the description box. I appreciate every single one of you, Libra or not, for your presence, for your energy, for your vibes, for your likes, for your shares, for your subscribes, for your financial contributions, for your comments. Holla at your girl. United we stand, together we rise. Peace.